Hi guys, the battery I put in this little fella isn't holding charge, so what I've done here is I've left it on charge in the back of the car while we've been driving. The light had gone out on there, so hopefully it's fully charged at the moment. So we'll have a quick little flight here just to see if it does a bit better freshly charged. There was no wind when I walked out here just now. There is a bit. I think there might be too much wind. Fighting the wind. And we haven't got too high. Oh, down. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's going to be too windy again. It's funny because that wind drops completely and then it picks up again. I think that dog rather fancies eating this. That'll have to do, too windy. Although we may have answered the question, it did seem to climb all right, freshly charged. But I still think I'm going to have to change that battery again. I think the one I put in there just isn't up to it. So that'll do, short and sweet. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.